Welcome to Kortext Study Plus, our AI-enhanced student platform, providing a window into the future of digital learning. Unlock a smoother, more personalized study experience with 5 exclusive Study Plus features designed to boost your learning efficiency. Using our cutting-edge Summarize tool, save time while mastering complex concepts and staying on top of your work. Select a section of text or generate a summary for the whole page. Edit this summary using handy tools like export by email, groups, and by linking out to the web. Another time-saving feature on Kortext Study Plus is Study Notes. Use generative AI to create bullet-pointed notes for a chosen section of text or from the whole page using our rich text editor to embellish your work. Our question and answer feature uses AI to transform your textbook into an interactive learning tool, offering quick multiple-choice quizzes that boost recall and deepen understanding. Kortext Study Plus users also benefit from the use of our Translate tool, allowing users to adjust the language of chosen areas of their e-textbook from a drop-down menu of over 130 different languages. Take our study tools beyond the e-textbook. Kortext Study Plus is now available for your own documents. Study Plus users benefit from 5 GB of storage space on Kortext, 10 times as much as a standard study user. Upload journal articles, academic PowerPoints, and more, so you can use our e-readers transformative tools to get the most out of your course materials. Developed in partnership with Microsoft, our AI tools operate responsibly within a secure, institutionally approved environment, ensuring students benefit from cutting-edge technology without compromising safety. Welcome to Kortext Study Plus, the future of learning, powered by AI.